If you've ever made a mistake that's followed you for years online, the European Union's top court is on your side. In a landmark ruling, it said its citizens have rights over what Google shares in its search results. Paul Hunter has the details for us tonight from Washington. Paul.
Hey, Peter, as some have put it today, finally, a ruling that recognizes the value of privacy on the internet. Good luck if something unseemly from your past ever shows up online, because not only is it easily findable, often just a few taps away on Google, but chances are as well it'll be there forever. A life sentence of a kind online. Precisely the circumstance Europe's top court weighed in on today in a case over what's known as the right to be forgotten. The court's ruling, you do have that right, at least in Europe.
El gestor de un motor de búsqueda.
A search engine, said this judge, is obliged to eliminate from a list of search results links to websites with information deemed irrelevant, with certain exceptions. The ruling was about the case of a Spanish man frustrated that a news article on his personal bankruptcy lingered online 16 years later. The court today ruled European laws protect his right to privacy, such that after 16 years, his bankruptcy is irrelevant, and Google should erase its links to that article, even though the article itself can stay.
It's good news because it confirms the position of the European Commission. First, that European law can apply to a search engine, and it's above all not good only for the Commission, but for citizens who will see their data better protected.
Google has faced myriad complaints on privacy before. On its Street View maps, for example, note the now blurred faces and license plates. And more recently, concerns over Google Glass, which hit the U.S. retail market today.
You can't tell right now that I'm recording you. You can't see a little red light. You can't see a green button, but I am.
In a statement about the European Court's decision, Google said it's surprised, adding, "This is a disappointing ruling for search engines and online publishers in general." The ruling affects only European search results. It does not apply in Canada, the U.S., or anywhere else. How Google will comply with the ruling is unclear, but the court seems to suggest individuals must first complain and independent privacy officials would have final say on when Google must hit delete. But already they're lined up for it. It's early days, but there are at least 200 others in Spain alone already seeking the same protection. And you can bet, Peter, that list will now grow.